Hello fellow crafters and welcome to Max DM Crafting. I decided to put everything in order, guys. You know, this is a beautiful community. We are trying to grow and we are doing it without any budget. So basically my channel is growing without advertising and stuff like that. I'm not pushing it with some booster, okay? So from now on, I decided to put stuff in order, to separate stuff in all this community, guys. I have 4 places where Max DM Crafting is going on. First of all, YouTube. This is the main channel, guys. This is the main stuff, the mainstream. All the new episodes come here, all the new stuff comes here. So basically YouTube is the reason why I'm doing these videos, of course. There is also an important part, the community part. If you go there, this will be the place where I ask questions, where I put my thoughts and my doubt, and when I ask your help for many stuff. On the Facebook Max DM Crafting page, I will put all the pictures of the finished works. So basically at the end of every process, I will put a series of pictures that I prefer, I like for share with you the finished stuff. So in Facebook you will have the collection of all my finished pieces. For the fancy photos, for the fancy shots, guys, I will use Instagram. On that you will check the best pictures, and also you will find a lot of content regarding my my private life and also what I'm doing for taking inspiration and stuff like that. So on Instagram, the best pictures, guys. So the best shots with some filters and stuff that is actually more fancy will be there on Instagram. All the work in progress, guys, will be on Patreon. Patreon is actually the main resource for this channel. I survive thanks to my patrons, so you can find my work in progress just on Patreon, and of course on YouTube when the videos are ready. But in real time I will publish day by day pictures on Patreon. So the best way to follow my works and my projects is to follow me on Patreon and support me, okay? With just $1 or €1, you will be able to unlock tons of content. So guys, support the channel and go on Patreon. So this is it. This is what I'm doing from now on the channel. So help me to create this big community. Help Max DM Crafting grow. I'm using my resources just for buying material and stuff like that. So the growth of this community is up to you guys. Help me. I need your help. Let's do it together. Let's make Max DM Crafting bigger and bigger and better and better. Stay tuned. More is to come.